With our many years of experience at family-owned and operated OB AC compressors, we're experts in the remanufacturing process. In fact, there's no discernible difference between a new compressor and one that we've refurbished. It's our goal for our clients to be completely satisfied and confident in the reliability of our products. We also offer compressor repair services, and we have a large inventory of many other parts related to vehicle air conditioning as well. We're always willing to go the extra mile for our customers, offering not only the highest quality services, but also reasonable prices. Give us an opportunity to impress you. You can find our compressors and accessories on eBay and Amazon. We're OB AC Compressors in Opa Locka, Florida.